Hey everyone, have you ever been in a situation where you want to permanently get rid of some crucial files on your device like a PC, phone or pen drive, so that your data cannot be recovered and misused by someone who knows how to recover permanently deleted data? It doesn't matter whether you're reselling your device or just want to ensure your privacy. In today's video, I will explain how you can permanently delete files from your PC, phone or pen drives so that no one can recover your personal files from your device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, let's understand what happens when you delete a file. Normally, when you permanently delete a file, it isn't removed from your hard drive or pen drive. Instead, it shows that the space it occupies is marked as available for new data. That means any good recovery software like Stellar Data Recovery can easily scan and retrieve the deleted data. So what you can do in this situation to make your deleted files unrecoverable? As I mentioned in my previous videos, data recovery software cannot retrieve permanently deleted data once it has been overwritten. So now, I will share some free and paid methods to help you overwrite the permanently deleted files of your laptop, phone and storage device. You can overwrite that permanently deleted data from your Windows PC hard drive without any software. To do that, go to search and type cmd. Now right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type cipher/w:\C:, and replace C: with the drive letter where the file was located. Finally, press the Enter key and this command will override all the deleted data on the selected drive. Moreover, you can apply the same trick to external storage devices like pen drives, SSDs, etc. to secure your privacy. If you found this video helpful so far, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Also, you can completely wipe out files from your phone and make it unrecoverable from your Android phone's file manager. All you need to do is permanently delete the file from your phone and add new files to it. Just make sure to delete the files from the trash folders too. Then download some unwanted files and place them in the same location. Next, again delete them permanently. Repeat this cycle a couple of more times and your original deleted files will be impossible to recover by any data recovery software. Moreover, you can apply the same trick to completely erase data from your iPhone. You can also permanently erase deleted files on your Android phone using a third-party app. While the previous method is reliable, it can be time-consuming to fully erase data from your device. Sometimes you might not have the luxury of time to thoroughly wipe recovery traces of deleted data. In such cases, third-party file shredder apps like iShredder and Shreddit can come to your rescue by permanently deleting and overwriting files on your phone. Here, I'm using Shreddit to show you how to completely erase data from a phone before selling. First, install the Shreddit app from the Google Play Store and launch the File Shredder app on your Android phone. Then, give it required permissions to access files on your phone. Now open the file location and select the file you want to shred. Then tap on this red icon. Next, select the OK button to confirm the selection, and that's it. Your file will be permanently deleted and overwritten on your phone in no time. Before you give away or resell your phone, laptop, etc. to someone else, it's important to verify that your deleted data is completely unrecoverable. For this purpose, I have devised these free methods to prevent your sensitive data from falling into the wrong hands. That's it for today's video. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor and hit the notification bell icon to get regular updates from us. Thanks for watching.